Alright, the front end rebuild is commenced on this front axle. The air locker, as we spoke about last time, is in and done. And we're just doing the rebuild on it. And the rebuild is all the seals and gaskets and whatnot. It's a wiper seal that we have here, sort of a felt seal. And oh, here we are. Exactly. This is what it is right here. It's a metal flange, a rubber gasket, along with a felt gasket that goes on. And we also go right in and we do that inner axle seal right there. That's the most, I wouldn't call it the most important one, but some guys overlook that or forget about it or don't think there is one, but there is one right there. So it's from there all the way back out that we rebuild. Here's the, what would you call that, the hub on the ground? The knuckle, really, excuse me. The hub is on outside further, but that would be the knuckle where the upper and lower bearings go, and that's what we have here, the steering arm, and underneath there are these bearings, and it allows for this front end to move back and forth relatively smoothly. And actually, yeah, Mo's showing us, that's what that is right there. It's in a nice race, and that sits right in there. Here we are. And these are all brand new. These are Toyota products. Goes right down in there like that. Again, it allows for that to move. It allows for that steering arm and for it to move that whole assembly nice and smooth. Obviously the axles, which are right here on the ground, will go back in. There's a short axle and a long axle. And we're also putting in high quality moly grease. A lot of guys will put in the wrong grease into the burr field right here and it will leak out because it doesn't handle the heat. Well, that's not going to happen here. So nonetheless, the rebuild's going on, and ultimately this will be in black paint.